Intro.
Back with another reaction on Pop Art Corner. Today we're doing Tony Taiman featuring Usima Money with Tiligia. Let's go.
Hope ingoma yabo izodilika-ke. I don't even know ukuthi idiliki but I hope it's gonna be nice and fun. Let's go.
Guys, that was great. I don't know about your guys' lives. Mine is quite dope.
Diligia nengisemlazi mphethe cherry yakhe Bangkok, oh my gosh, but you get I'm a drug, I'ma turn it to a fan I'm that nigga, bokhuluma I'm back Tell abathakathi that I'm here, yeah. They tryna get me, shit, not again It's my money is a big shot, I'm a myek Ungabiza uqamu, this cover is in vain Ungadiza ngisho ngimshanelo L10, yeah Playing cards, I'ma chill top 10 I ain't trouble, but they always run me back
I've been listening to the beat, so we have to go back on this one too. We have to go back.
Well, basically, Tiligia we are right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Guys, that was great. I don't know about your guys' lives. Mine is quite dope.
Diligia nengisemlazi mphethe cherry yakhe Bangkok, oh my gosh, but you get I'm a drug, I'ma turn it to a fan I'm that nigga, bokhuluma I'm back Tell abathakathi that I'm here, yeah They tryna get me, shit, not again It's my money is a big shot, I'm a myek Ungabiza uqamu, this cover is in vain Ungadiza ngisho ngimshanelo L10, yeah Playing cards
Ukuthi ngalibiza isikhovu ubiza imishanyelo eyi-10
Tiligia ngifikile. We cannot stop this go. And he's right in a way. Ka ufikile, but the stage presence sakhe sizokhuluma ngaso on another day. Let's go.
I'ma chill top 10 I ain't trouble, but they always run me back I bought a cherry jail ukuthi E10 Keep a yellow bone, no flops, sing fresh Funny dark, no melanin in the paint, yeah When I show up, kagini basu, yeah nah. When I pull up, kagini basu, yeah nah. Don't you down, I gini ziggy, I If she get into a test, then it's bye Spending big my nigga, my cheddar, we bye Hating me, cause you broke for a night, man
You killed it, bro. You killed it.
I killed it. When play other boy, you cannot doubt it that much. And Footy, the accent and the dialect switch complements wordplay yakhe. It means nice.
Yeah, that's true. Into mina engichaza ngayo ukuthi uyakwazi ukuflow to the beat. Understand?
Yeah.
Each and every beat he knows which style to go with.
Sure.
Generally beat you see uyakhona ukuthi ku-5 beats and now you're listening to rap also.
Sure.
Yeah. Aye. Now let's hear uThoni.
Bro,
Superman.
Diligia nengisethekwini ngiphethe cherry yakhe Yellow B, oh my god, it's phalaphala Finna buy flowers, angiphathi sokweqansi Take off for lunch, asithi shwi lapha emhlanga Soft life, get cash, ayizazi, ayiphathi If her brothers were to know, mphela ndaba If her brothers were to know, akusena ndaba She got the beauty and the brains, shaya ngenye waist First cut ghost, ngathi khona 100k Mana ngakaqedi, kudla buthathi break Mana ngakaqephela ngemthanda mina ubabe Insana ule, engekho eduze nekhanda livele lizule Ngizomalume kushaye ngenkomo ezude Baby, sexy, wanna try and get me I'm not tryna leave, that's my baby, that's my
Ngizomalume ngishaya ngenkomo ezide Ngikubuza iyitumela emkhulu lobona nge1M
Basikatafuna
Benjamin.
Ngumini.
Yeah, umini uye 1 million I think.
Akusulo baby lo kaNgcobo lo kashila emhlawumbe.
Nah, ngikhubuka it's me. That's why cool right now. We're in stable relationship.
Yeah,
busy, you know. But then,
asikho la. But also Tony dog, nice dog. Tony nice, kakhulu dog. And I can't wait for. Apparently, there's a joint album coming from these two.
Mm-hmm.
And remember the last time we spoke about Nasty C and Uday and Usmamani doing a joint album, and I told you Uday, it's not a good idea. They won't sound
They are
very
different.
nice.
Yeah, these
So
ones are completely
these ones are
different,
completely
yeah.
different. Laba by a fan dog, even voice and
Voice,
dialect.
yeah.
My Tony has
Accent and everything.
deep nyana, but still na.
Even if we tone wins the hook, we understand the tone. Even if Usmaman wins the hook,
Sure, you understand. Oh, this is this guy. This is this guy. But the
Nang for the music also, why
let's go. Let's go.
Misty.
Really?
Play with
Oh,
this
that's nice. But I like the fact that Basam Pululo, Super Mega.
Super Mega the coke. RIP to Super Mega the coke.
Otherwise, this is a dope track.
Yeah, this is dope track.
But there's one thing I complain about these days. 2-minute song, I hate those. At least make it 4 or 3.5.
Those are safe, dog. Ingenga, once you make it a 4-minute track, sometimes you it's either you lose the attention span of your audience, or the track yako is not as balanced as it should be. And so doing a 2-minute song is safe because I can give you one hook, verse,
Yeah. Mara, that's true.
Yeah.
But then, thanks for watching, guys.
Let us know what you think in the comments. We out.